Hello everyone, my name is Bishwajit Giri, faculty member of CAT Center, Jadavpur University. So welcome to all in this video course, Introduction to Geographical Information System, or in short GIS. GIS is basically an innovative technology that helps you to create, manage, process, analyze and display geographical data. So anyone can pursue this particular video course who handle geographical data, even the engineering students, science students, or any working professionals who handle locational data, geographical data, they can also pursue this particular course. Okay, let's briefly discuss whatever we will discuss in this particular course. I mean the course layout I just present in front of you. So in lecture 1 we will discuss what is GIS. I mean in case of GIS I already told you the full form, Geographical Information System. So here you will learn what is geographical data, what is information system, the concept of GIS that we will discuss in the first lecture. In the second lecture, like every information system, GIS also has set of components. So what are the components are there that acts together so that GIS system runs smoothly, efficiently and solve the real world problem. So all those components in a larger system are present that we will discuss here. In the lecture 3 we will discuss the origin of GIS, or you may call the history of GIS, how the GIS technology evaluate from initial stage to nowadays. So its evolution that we will discuss from the initial stage to now, whatever the GIS condition is there. So that is called origin of GIS or history of GIS, that we will discuss in lecture 3. And in the lecture 4 we will discuss the what type of functions that are possible to perform using GIS, or you may say in other way, GIS technology can give answer of which type of question, and by giving such type of questions answer, we can solve lot of real world problem. So those are called functions of GIS, and we will discuss the advantage of GIS, whatever the advantages are present in GIS compared to other information system, so that GIS is so popular to all of us. So this topic we will discuss in lecture 4. And in the lecture 5 we will discuss the cross-disciplinary nature of GIS. The thing is that in this topic that basically we will discuss, GIS can be collaborate with multiple other disciplines. For example, by using GIS we can prepare map. But as you know, map preparation is the concept of cartography. So this cartographic discipline are also incorporated in GIS. So just like example cartography, many other type of discipline, many other type of technology are also linked with GIS. So some of the common types of discipline or technology, separate technology that are incorporated with GIS. So all those disciplines or technology description will made here. Then in the lecture 6 we'll provide you whatever the application areas of GIS are there. So those application areas of GIS we present in front of you. But the thing is that the application areas of GIS are vast. In different sector, different problem solving purpose we can use GIS. Okay, so that we will discuss in lecture 6, and then come lecture 7 we will discuss the GIS data model. Basically in lecture 7 and lecture 8, where we'll show you in computer how can you store geographical data, so that once you store geographical data, then later you can process, you can retrieve, you can analysis, and as per your requirement you can display the geographical data. So mainly geographical data we store in computer using two way. One is using the raster data, another one using the vector data. So this concept we will discuss in lecture 7 and in lecture 8. And in lecture 9 we will discuss the difference between raster data and vector data, because using both the data, raster and vector, we can store and display geographical data in computer. So both have certain type of advantages, certain type of disadvantages. So that we will present in front of you in lecture 9. In lecture 10 we will discuss the concept of coordinate system, because whenever we will store geographical data in computer, or whenever you will display geographical data in computer, they must obey certain type of coordinate system, because we represent geographical data. Geographical data represent certain location on the earth surface. So this location, for representing this location accurately, either on the computer screen or on the map, we need proper coordinate system. So in lecture 10 we discuss the concept of coordinate system. In lecture 11 we will discuss the topic that is called data encoding. I mean raster এবং vector data encoding technique in computer. I mean how to enter raster and vector data in computer. So several way we can enter data within computer, raster and vector. So all those data encoding technique that we will present in front of you, and once you enter, store raster and vector data within computer, then just like house cleaning operation, we should also pre-process those raster and vector data, so that we can enhance the quality of the raster and vector data. So in the later part, when we'll perform analysis based on GIS data, we can get the accurate result. So before doing analysis, we should perform raster and vector data processing, or you may call pre-processing, which is nothing but a cleaning operation. Just like house cleaning operation, we have to clean our raster and vector data. Okay, and in the lecture 12 and 13 we'll discuss different types of GIS analytical techniques. I should say that the best thing of GIS is its analytical capabilities. So whatever the analytical capabilities are present in GIS, so that we will discuss in lecture 12 and 13. And finally we will end with the last topic in lecture 14, that is the limitations of GIS. Every information system has certain limitations. So the same thing is true for GIS. So in this lecture, in the end lecture, we'll show you whatever the limitations are there. But the point is that day by day these limitations are decreasing. So that is the hope for us. Someday very less or no limitation should be there in geographical information system. Okay, so that's all regarding this particular course layout, and in each and every lecture we'll show you all these things. Okay, if you have any question regarding any particular topic or something, you can mail me, you can give your feedback. I will try to respond. Thank you.